In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a session on Webex in just 5 minutes. Whether it's a meeting, class, or any important session, being able to record it can be incredibly helpful for future reference. So let's dive into the process and make sure you can easily capture those important moments. First things first, you'll want to launch the Webex desktop app. This is the hub of your meetings where you can join, schedule, and indeed, record sessions. Have it open and ready to go on your computer. Once the application is up and running, the next step is to join or start your Webex meeting. This could be an existing meeting you're attending or one you are hosting yourself. Make sure that everything is set up the way you want it, with all participants ready for your session. Now, let's focus on initiating the recording process. Look towards the bottom menu of your Webex screen. You'll see a record button there. Giving this a click is your next step. This action doesn't start the recording just yet. Instead, you'll be prompted to decide where to save your recording. When this prompt appears, make sure to select Save to My Computer. This way, your recording will be personally accessible whenever and wherever you need it. With the destination for your recording selected, you'll see an overlay window appear. Here, you'll want to click the record button once more to officially begin recording your session. Keep an eye out for a recording indicator, which will show up at the top of the screen. This indicator is a small but crucial sign that everything you need to be documented is being captured in real time. During your session, you might find the need to pause the recording, perhaps a break in the meeting or a moment you don't need recorded. To do so, click the record button once again and select Pause. When you're ready to continue, resume recording by clicking the record button and selecting Resume. This feature is super useful for keeping your recordings precise and focused on what matters most. Finally, when the session wraps up or you've recorded everything necessary, it's time to stop the recording. Once again, navigate back to the record button, give it a click, and select Stop. The recording will then finalize and save to the location you designated earlier. You now have a complete recording of your meeting or event, ready to review and share as needed. And there you have it, a straightforward way to record your Webex sessions. With these steps, capturing critical information during your meetings becomes a breeze, enhancing your ability to revisit important discussions or presentations at any time. Thank you for joining this tutorial, and happy recording.